Hey fellas, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Fasten your seatbelts. How can you save a damaged relationship? Yes, today's topic is for true lovers. Let's get started. Understand if the relationship can truly be repaired. Yes, a toxic relationship can improve, but it comes with a big however. A toxic relationship can only change if both people are willing. It requires open communication, honesty, self-reflection, and equal commitment to overcoming issues together. This means being open to growth, examining your actions, and questioning yourself. Are you truly willing and ready for this? Be willing to walk away if necessary. Before facing a toxic partner, you need to start with self-confidence. There's a chance nothing will change, and you might need to part ways with the toxic partner. Being prepared and willing to walk away is the first step. Avoid words that define a toxic relationship. Words like blaming, condemning, criticizing, and being demanding often define toxic relationships. If these behaviors are common in your relationship, discuss this cycle with your partner and agree to work on ending it. Pay attention to how these toxic behaviors affect your relationship. A cooperative mindset towards communication issues can help you and your partner move forward positively. Express yourself. In toxic relationships, you often find yourself walking on eggshells to avoid upsetting your partner, which can lead to resentment and anger over time. Make a note of things you're afraid to share and the responses you fear. Remember, in a healthy relationship, it's essential to express yourself, be yourself, and share your concerns comfortably. Don't be afraid to exist. In toxic relationships, one person often puts aside their priorities and needs. You might not want to hurt or upset your partner, but sidelining your needs can make the relationship one-sided over time. If you notice this dynamic, it's time to assert your presence. Remember, a relationship takes at least two people. Help your partner recognize their toxic patterns and cycles. Seek support. You or your partner might feel incomplete or inadequate within the relationship, which is a hallmark of toxic relationships. Remember, you are enough as you are. A healthy relationship is not just about romance, but also about being emotionally balanced. If you feel a lack in this area, consider seeing a couples therapist. They can help with individual and generational trauma healing. Don't allow manipulation and learn to trust yourself. Toxic relationships often have an imbalance of power, where one partner tries to control every moment, making the other feel inadequate or wrong. Mindfulness practices can be key to learning how to trust yourself. When you notice your partner trying to manipulate you, either consciously or unconsciously, take notes or keep a journal to spot inconsistencies between what's said and what's real. Communicate that if they continue to talk to you in a way you don't want, you won't be willing to listen. Discover healthier ways to express criticism. Together, constructive criticism can be a healthy way to repair a relationship, but if it's used to judge the other person without the aim of improvement, it crosses the line. We all make mistakes, but if you constantly tell your partner what they're doing wrong or how they can do better, they might feel unappreciated. Learn how to express criticism and listen to each other's perspectives in a dialogue, not a monologue. Prepare for uncomfortable conversations. Honesty is crucial for healthy relationships. Sometimes you might tell white lies to avoid little problems. Consider how these lies can eventually make effective communication difficult and lead to unmanageable situations. Take a moment before telling a white lie to think about what would happen if you told the truth instead. Think about the importance of honesty and trust. There will be uncomfortable conversations, and you should be prepared for them. Focus on finding solutions, not fighting. It's normal to have disagreements and arguments in a relationship. Your goal should be to find solutions, not to win. Remember, you're not in a battle and your partner is not your enemy. Fixing a toxic relationship is tough and requires hard work from both sides. You deserve a healthy and happy relationship. Maybe this is the moment when you really need to be the most masculine. See you in the next video.